You are getting Roblox error code 273. Don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to fix quickly and get to playing. Like this video and follow my all step properly. Step 1. Open your phone setting and scroll down. Tap on apps and search Roblox. Tap on Roblox and clear cache. Tap on app permission and allow all permission. Like this video and follow my all step properly. Okay, step 2. Open Play Store and search ROBLOX Roblox and update Roblox app and open and log in. Wait for a moment. Subscribe my channel please. Helpfully your problem solve it. Like this video. Please subscribe my channel.